Today, I will share with you excellent ways to make some cash while still being a full-time student. Number 1. Becoming a research assistant. Ever thought about getting paid to learn cool stuff? Professors are always looking for students to help with their research. And here's the kicker. You don't have to be a genius to get one of these gigs. Just approach your professor after class and mention your interest in their research. Boom. You might land a job for yourself with hourly rates ranging from $15 to $20. Plus, you gain experience, build your resume, and can even catch up on Netflix between assignments. Being in a professor's good books could also score you a recommendation letter for grad school or that dream internship. Do a little homework on what your professor is working on before you approach them. Drop a few specific details in your conversation to show your genuine interest, and you'll stand out. Number 2, tutoring. Tutoring could be your golden ticket. If you've got the smarts, crushed your chemistry test, or have a knack for explaining things, this is for you. The best part? You set your rates. Some students charge up to $100 per hour for niche tests like the MCAT or LSAT. Even if you're helping someone pass freshman math, you can easily pull in $20 to $30 an hour. Tutoring is incredibly flexible. You can choose your hours, work around your class schedule, and even do it online. Start with what you're good at, math, writing, science, and build from there. Word of mouth is your best friend. Once you help a few students succeed, they'll recommend you to others. To maximize earnings, consider group sessions. Charge each student slightly less, but you'll make more overall with multiple students. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for remote jobs that truly fit your lifestyle, click on the video right here. You'll discover options that pay well and require zero experience, helping you kickstart a remote career with ease. Don't miss out.